Let me ask you something honestly. How many times have you switched a video like this? Topper study strategy or how I cleared CA in my first attempt? You watch the video, feel motivated, and immediately think, maybe I should try this strategy. So you change your study plan. A few days later, you watch another video, another topper, another strategy. And suddenly, you feel like your current method is wrong. So you change it again. This cycle sounds familiar. You might be stuck in one of the biggest preparation traps, strategy hopping. And today, in the final video of our series, 7 Days, 7 Problems Decoded, we are decoding why this happens and how to finally escape it. What strategy hopping looks like. Strategy hopping usually looks like this. Week 1, you follow one study method. Week 2, you see someone saying active recall is the best technique, so you change your approach. Week 3, another video says only solving questions works, so you change it again. Someone says revision is everything, and once again, you restart your whole plan. But here's the problem. Every time you change strategies, you reset your progress. Instead of improving one system, you keep abandoning it again and again. Why our brain falls into this trap? Psychologically, this happens because of something called novelty bias. Our brain naturally believes that new methods are always better. When we see someone else's success story, our brain assumes their strategy is the secret. But what we don't see is this: that person followed their strategy consistently for months or years. Success didn't come from the strategy alone. It came from sticking with it long enough. The truth about study strategies. Here's something important every aspirant should understand. There is no perfect study strategy. Different people learn differently. Some learn by reading, some by solving problems, some by teaching concepts. The real secret is not finding the perfect strategy. The real secret is consistency with a simple system. Because even an average strategy works when you follow it long enough. Now let's talk about practical solutions. First, choose one strategy and commit. Instead of trying multiple methods every week, choose one simple strategy. For example, study concept, solve questions, revise, and repeat. Commit to this method for at least 2 weeks before changing anything. This gives your brain time to adapt. Second, limit strategy content. Watching too many strategy videos can actually create confusion. So set a rule for yourself. Learn strategies occasionally, but spend most of your time studying, not researching how to study. Because only studying gives you results. Because the best strategy always looks boring, but it works. Third, focus on execution. Execution is far important than strategy. 2 aspirants can use the same method. One succeeds, the other doesn't. The difference is not the method. It is the discipline to execute it every day. Over the last 7 days, we talked about many silent struggles of aspirants: comparison, fear of failure, fake study hours, starting strong but quitting, and today, strategy hopping. All these problems have one common solution: consistency. Not perfection, not the best strategy, just showing up every day and taking small steps. If you are preparing for CA or any competitive exam, remember this: success is rarely about dramatic changes. It's about small, consistent actions repeated for months. So stop searching for the perfect strategy. Choose one system, stick to it, and keep moving forward. Because big exams are not cleared in one day, they are cleared through small steps every single day.